Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 6 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully tested and checked out. We'll get that running for you in a second. Overall dimensions, 34 inches length, 28 inches width, 44 inches high. As you can see, it's in great condition right there. This is water cooled. It is currently wired for 480 and 3-phase. You can see the control system right here. I'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.